do have a crash. It's blocking the left lane of the off-ramp from I-10 West onto the West Beltway South. I am seeing delays because of it. Be very careful and cautious as you drive by that crash. And she didn't just visit the second floor. She began with them because they needed help. Mother Teresa couldn't do it all, but she gave her all. Compassion, pass it on. From the Foundation for a Better Life at values.com. For Jacksonville's most frequent traffic, I'm Tim Tompkins.
Getting word in right now on the first significant rain band in St. Johns County. We should start to see some damage reports fairly soon from the south to the north. Sustained wind right now. Today's 20 here at around 35. We're going to move in to close that, starting at 40 miles an hour. I know that JSO has told us, they're warning you for days now, once they decide to close the bridges, they'll stay closed for a period of time. WOKV News Time, 7:55.
Join our Storm Center team. Download the News 104.5 app. Tap the open.
Everything looks good so far.
Tell us the weather conditions in your area. This is Storm Center team coverage on News 104.5 WOKV.
Hey, Coach Jones here. Are you sick of lackluster returns on your portfolio? Sick of losing money and hoping for a way to earn consistent, high-yield returns to build and protect your nest egg? You owe it to yourself and your future to talk to my friend Don Wenner at DLP Capital Advisors. DLP Capital Advisors offers real estate-backed investment funds that deliver strong returns with security and protection not offered by any other investment opportunity. DLP Capital Advisors offers monthly distributions with only a one-year investment commitment. Just 1 year. Equity returns in the double digits every month and quick returns of 7 to 10%.
They were gone.
Anytime too good to be true, I hope to talk to Don Wenner. DLP Capital
Frustrated with the results your sales team is delivering? Many owners and managers depend on Sandler. Sandler training delivers results. The Sandler program is sales methodology that addresses behavior, attitude, Jacksonville's Morning News with Chris Jones and around-the-clock hurricane coverage. This is Jacksonville's severe weather station, News 104.5 WOKV.
And welcome back to our around-the-clock Hurricane Matthew coverage right here on the Friday edition of Jacksonville's Morning News. I'm Kevin Rayfuse.
And I'm Christy Turner. For 2 days, the push was getting you to evacuate ahead of Matthew.
And now, hunker down.
Jacksonville police don't want you on the road. Between the deteriorating weather, risk of standing water, lights that aren't working, it's best for you to stay home.
Let the emergency vehicles and public works people have access to the roads so that we can get this going through and get the city back online.
The mayor urging you to let friends and family know where you're staying while emergency responders may not be able to get out during the storm. They want to know where you'll be if you need help after. Stephanie Brown, News 104.5 WOKV.
WOKV News Time 7:58.
The eye of Hurricane Matthew is now 136 miles southeast of Jacksonville Beach. The 8 o'clock update just coming in from the Hurricane Center. It's still a Category 3 storm right now with a maximum sustained winds at 120 miles an hour. In the center, the eye wall of Matthew is hugging the coast of Central Florida. What you can expect today, here's CBS 47 and Fox 30. Action News Jack's chief meteorologist Mike Burry. Heavy rain and high winds spreading south to north as Matthew makes its closest approach as we go through this afternoon and evening. A hurricane warning is in effect. It's a 1 on the WOKV weather meter with temperatures around 80 degrees. The highest winds and heaviest rain will end this evening from south to north. Temperatures dropping into the mid-70s. Clearing, breezy, and mild for your Saturday with highs in the low to mid-80s and a good-looking Sunday with sunshine and high temperatures between 80 and 85. From the First Alert Weather Center, I'm Action News Jack's chief meteorologist Mike Burridge for News 104.5 WOKV. And from the south to the north, we're already starting to see some significant rain bands. The first significant one into St. Johns County right now. Sustained winds at about 35 miles an hour close to the coast and along the Dames Point Bridge. Remember, it's 40 that we'll be watching out for to close the bridges. Right now, we're at 74 degrees at Jacksonville's severe weather station.
Now the latest from the C-Touch Security Traffic Center.
Let's go straight to the roads for a look at your drive. If you are leaving the beaches right now, here's Sherry with the FDOT 511 road report.
If you are still on the roads and you're driving in from the beaches that we're westbound, we do
come down.
on the way to pick that up, and the bridges are still open at the moment. The Intercoastal Bridge, Butler East and westbound, and if you're traveling in either direction, it's less than 13 minutes to get